Yo, what one? Who don't know the type of things we dip on? Yo, there for another vlog. But later, we have to take another log. Anyhow, you know what? Since you two love sports, and as you guys can see, the wheels in its actual color because I washed the car yesterday for about 4 hours. And then it rained today. So yeah. It's Massachusetts for you. 10% rain means rain and 80% rain means no rain. Golly. That's nice. But anyhow, what I'm going to do today, look at that perfect timing, is test out the temperatures in the car. Golly, it's hot. But yeah, I'm going to test out the temperatures with the car using the P3 gauge because the intake temps are stupid high, so I'm going to try to get the meth kit put on. But as long as I could get the coolant temps down some, that'll be pretty good because the meth kit will help with the intake air temps. And yeah, so as long as I can get both of those things down a fair bit, then the car should be good. Because right now, well, not today because it's pretty cool, but on a hot day like 80 degrees and it's sunny, or 85 degrees and it's sunny, whatever, I'll be at like 115 to 125 intake air temps, which means the car is down 100 horsepower minimum. So yeah, because these cars cut timing very aggressively. So I'll be making a note to look at the logs and to look at the screen and see what it's trying to tell me. But yeah, I hope I can get the temperatures down a bit for at least the coolant today, and then get the meth kit put on to get the intake temps down so I can actually enjoy the car how I should, because it's pretty quick, but you know, it's gonna feel a lot better once it's not losing a whole bunch of timing, because I believe it's losing like 10 to 11 degrees, which is, I believe with this setup, it's like 10 horsepower or 11 horsepower per degree of timing, something like that. So okay, so for the water wetter, it's saying that the thing is around 190 and this thing coincides, and usually it's a little bit over, so it's usually about like 205-ish, something like that. So we're gonna see when we get to the gas station how it looks, and then after we get to Walmart. So yeah, I guess you just gotta see how it goes, because it looks like it's doing something at least, even though I've just idled. But yeah, okay, so it's still on 197, which is good. So I'm gonna test it in a few minutes once I actually get on the road and romp on it a little, as long as there's not like too much traffic. But I'll get to you guys in a few minutes.
You know, tell me you like riding. I slap you in the face and then it does.
Alright, so I'm going to try the head cam. Forgot that I had this, and I'm still a bit too tall, so for this to work properly, I definitely need some low mounted seats or something, because this, I can, if I move a little bit, then the camera will be touching the roof. I was going to say ceiling, but the roof. So yeah, but yeah, we're gonna cruise around for a little. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna see anything cool out, so but yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna see anything cool out, so I'm not even gonna worry about that. But yeah, once I get down a little bit, I'll cut the camera back on, because as you guys can see, boom, there's a cop right there, so you know I can't really do anything on this side. But get back to you guys in a few minutes. back, just cruising around. And disclaimer, I'm really not good at talking and driving at the same time, or talking and spirited driving, as I'll say. If it was just cruising or whatever, then cool. But yeah, who the fuck is this on my back like that? With the whole cop right there. Go ahead, my guy, be my guest. Weird. Yeah, see, that's why these niggas' cars always be so fucked up, because it's like they do the most. Because like if I just downshifted and had to slow down, would have been a nice case for me. But yeah, insurance would definitely not like the claim that would be on his behalf. Well, through him on my behalf. Ooh, is this a E36? Ooh, it is. I miss mine. It's a sedan. Some pretty decent looking wheels on there. Probably some Style 5s or something from the look of the lip. Or some Style 42s, I can't tell. BMW of North. Oh, it's pretty nice. One thing that I do have to mention is that the IATs are great. If you guys can see it, it says 84 and I'm cruising, which means that when I get at a higher rate of speed, that it will be even better. So that's good. So the car's going to actually feel pretty quick, because it's not going to be cutting a lot of horsepower. I believe anything over like 85, I believe anything over 90 or 95 cuts time in something like that. So if that's the case, then I'll be good. And as you guys could probably hear and see, whatever, the camera keeps hitting the top of the car, because it's just like what is that word? It's I'm too tall. So yeah, and I'm not even that tall. I'm only 6 feet, so it's super annoying for that to be the case. But yeah, because people always say it. Like I even watched like a Matt Farah video not long ago, and he said that like when you're in an E92 M3, it's like you're sitting on top of the car, like on top of the seat, whatever. Like it's hard to explain unless you actually do it, but it's like a lot of cars or sports cars, you're sitting down into the seat, so you have a low seating position, and that's not the case in the E92 M3s. But yeah, I'll get to you guys. Actually, you know what? Let me give you guys a little baby pole. Better not be coming into this lane, idiot. Yeah, I did fuck them idiot boy, I did that. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a little while. Alright. I believe it straightens out in a second, and I'll be able to give you guys a little pull. This was the part that I was at. But yeah, I really just love the way this car pulls. It's really, really neat. Let's see if anything's in. Yeah, for some odd reason, there are a lot of cars out tonight. Like, I had to go around, and now I'm like on my way back home. But it's just like there's so many cars. I did see this badass drag car. Like, it had some fat ass wheels on the back. I know that thing's gonna do damage. I don't know where it's headed or what, but yeah. But anyhow, you guys will see whatever pulls I do, if I can do any. Because there's, you know what? Actually, let me do a little. Make sure there's no cops in. wasn't flooring it or anything because, again, there's a lot of cars. So, yeah. It's like as the days go on, there's just more and more cars out. So, yeah, it's kind of annoying. There's not going to be a chance to do any real pulls, so let me give you guys a last one, and yeah, thanks for watching.